Getting started with your Groovz Link speaker. Power the speaker on by pressing and holding the top power button. Lights will indicate that the speaker is powered on. On your phone or device, turn on Bluetooth. Select Groovz speaker from the list. Once paired, you will hear, "The Bluetooth device is paired." To increase the volume, long press the plus button. To decrease the volume, long press the minus button. Short press the plus button to skip to the next song. Short press the minus button to go back to the previous song. How to enter two-speaker mode. Place two Groovz speakers near each other. Power on both speakers. Double press the TSW button on one speaker to enter pairing mode. Open Bluetooth setting on your phone or device. You only need to connect to one speaker. Once paired, you will hear, "The Bluetooth device is paired." The speakers will remember each other for future use. Audio will automatically play through both speakers in perfect sync. Charging ports are located on the back of the device.